Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Gensyn token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Gensyn ticker AI is a decentralized blockchain based protocol that creates a global marketplace for machine learning computation, connecting users who need AI processing power with providers of idle hardware. Decentralized AI compute network. It's turned global idle GPUs into a permissionless supercluster for training AI models, aiming to drastically reduce cost. Full stack technical architecture. Built as an Ethereum layer 2, it uses three core modules: AXL chain free to verify AI work and establish trust without a central authority. Deflationary token economy. The AI token is used for payments, staking, and governance with a built-in mechanism to burn a majority of network fees, creating inherent scarcity. Gensyn token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 1.3 billion AI token. AI token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.